The first rain of the season brought more than just water, it brought a surprise. It turns out the new utility door we installed wasn't built for the outdoors at all. It was an interior door, completely unfit to face the elements. Unlike exterior doors, it had no weatherproofing, no reinforced joints, nothing to protect it from heavy rain. And it showed. Water poured in. The bottom of the door swelled and split wide open. Cracks ran through it like veins. It looked like a total loss. But I couldn't let it go. I remembered how long it took to fit that door into our custom frame in the first place. Hours of measuring, cutting, adjusting. So I made a decision. I'd try to save it. First came the glue. I pieced the bottom back together like a puzzle. Then I brought out the planer and a scraper to smooth the damaged surface. That kicked off the next phase, epoxy. Layers and layers of it. Each coat followed by sanding. Drying times felt endless. In total, I went through 4 cans of epoxy. Then came the reinforcements. Extra wood bracing, added hardware, and sealing every edge that could let water in. It slowly started to feel solid again. Then I added something extra, new vents, both functional and a little stylish. Next, I moved on to painting. A solid primer coat, followed by several coats of paint, not just on the door, but on the garage side door and its frame too. I wanted it all to match. After that, a deep clean wrapped everything up. In the end, the door didn't just survive, it came back stronger, better. What started as a frustrating discovery turned into a satisfying project. Special thanks to my brother for his contribution. Sometimes what looks like a failure is just a second chance in disguise.